Alright, I think you guys should be able to see in there. Let's try to push this down. And then my plan is I'm going to use super galvanized wire here. Like so. I'm going to run it up in the holes and make a, I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so I'm going to try and do about, I don't know, double the height of the tub so I have something to work with, because I'm going to be weaving it in and out. So we'll try that and see if that works. I think I'm going to do 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I might have to add more to keep it against the sides. I don't think it's not really going to matter that much if it's not touching the sides. It's going to have a roaring fire inside of it, so. Okay. So I'm going to try and start it. You can see it where the pipe's going out towards the wall. So if I feed this in.
Here.
Alright, so I'm going to change my mind. I'm not going to weave the wire. I'm just going to thread it through a hole and twist it off, and thread it through a hole and twist it off. This whole basket weaving thing is, it's going to take me forever. So, we're going to kind of restart here, but keep up with me. Okay, I wanted to show you this before I keep going. So, I've got all my pieces all settled in. Excuse me. It's a little bit of mess on the outside. I got some tightening and some flattening to do, which is fine. I was assuming that, but yeah, this is the mess it's going to be for right now until I get to that next step. I just wanted to show you what it looked like finished. I'm gonna grab this, give you a little look-see around the inside. I think it worked pretty good. This was way easier than trying to fish them through and basket weave it. So there we go. Stay tuned for